J&K High Court, Restore GSTIN cancelled retrospectively. Case highlight. GST registration was retrospectively cancelled without proper notice or compliance opportunity. J&K and Ladakh High Court ruling. Bench, Justices Sanjay Parihar and Sanjeev Kumar. Directed GSTIN to be restored, subject to conditions. Violation noted. Petitioners' rights under principles of natural justice were denied. Referenced precedent. Sheikh Mohammed Yusuf vs. UT of J&K, July 2024. Judgment in Yusuf's case applied squarely here. Court's direction. Petitioner must apply for restoration within 2 weeks. GST debt to restore GSTIN immediately after formalities. Post-restoration obligation. File all pending GST returns. Pay taxes, interest, and penalties. Must comply within 2 weeks post-restoration. Failure to comply? The order becomes inoperative. For more details, contact us.